So hey you guys, I'm back with another video. Today I am reviewing the new Natasha Denona Tropic Palette. I almost forgot the name, of course, like I always do. I also picked up the mini sunset palette right here. I'm excited about that too. So this is this one here. It's so pretty. This one is $25. It comes with 5 eyeshadows: Guava, Apollo, Dirty Mars, Sunbeam, and Halo. I'll show you guys swatches right here. And you get 0.8 grams of eyeshadow. So yeah, this is the 5 eyeshadow palette, the mini sunset palette. So I wanted to try this one before I picked up the other one. So yeah. Alright, so this is this palette here. Super pretty. So I'm excited about this. This little packaging right here is so pretty. And it's so nice quality and high quality, so that's perfect. So yeah, I picked this up, and then I picked up the new Natasha Denona Tropic palette. I'm so excited about this. This is a 15. This comes with 15 eyeshadows in it, and it is 1.5 grams of shadow. Okay, so I'll go ahead and show you guys. This is the packaging. It's so pretty. It reminds me of the ocean, obviously. It's so pretty. I love the packaging here. Super cute. Okay, so again, this is the Tropic palette. Super excited about this purchase I did. This is like one of the highest eyeshadow palettes I've ever purchased before. So I definitely wanted to pick this up and try it. The packaging is a hardcover. Then the back here has little holes in it so that you can poke it out and then replace it if you need to, which is great without replacing or depotting the whole entire pot. So this is the palette. Also, again, it's a hard type of plastic packaging, and it's not the regular or the original Natasha Denona palette packaging. Normally it is a like leather or pleather outside on the packaging, but yeah. Okay, so it does come with this really cute mirror right here. I don't want to blind you guys. And it comes with these really cute colors. Let me zoom in for you guys. So these are the colors right here. Nice and tropic. So I will go ahead and swatch some of these colors for you guys. Alright, so I definitely want to go ahead and swatch the mattes. There are mattes, 1 duochrome, 3 or 4 shimmers, and I think that's it in here. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch some for you guys. So the first one I'm going to swatch is Sangria, this nice pretty red brick color. And this is a matte formula, this one here. So that is Sangria. The next one I'll swatch is Cocoa, which is a nice brown color. Ooh, I don't know if you guys can see that. This is Cocoa. Lemon Cello is a shimmer shade. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Also going to go ahead and swatch this pretty green. This is called Exotic. Ooh. Exotic. Oh my gosh. Well, that swatch was horrible. I'm going to try the duochrome, which is called Mint Frost. Oh, now that's pretty. Laguna, which is a nice pretty blue. Oh my gosh, I have to try that on my eyes. Have to. Tiger Lily is this one. Well, that's the blue. I don't like how that's swatched. There we go. And the purple color I have to swatch is called Xena, which matches my nails perfectly. I'm going to go ahead and do an eye look for you guys. I already did my foundation for you guys up front. I'm just going to be doing my eyes. I am using the new Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation with the SPF 15 full cover oil-free shine control foundation. The color that I get is almond, so I get it in the color almond. So I have this on my face already, and then through the tutorial I will go ahead and use my Fenty matchsticks, and I'm going to go ahead and contour after I do my face. So let's get right into the tutorial. If you guys do like these kind of videos and like these kind of reviews, please thumbs up this video for me. Also subscribe, push the bell next to my name so that you guys never miss a video from me. And also comment below, let me know if you have this palette, and if you already did a tutorial with this palette, tag me in it so that I will be able to get your videos and I can watch them. If not, just let me know what color is your favorite and what you like about this specific tutorial. If you have any other palettes that you would like me to review, let me know. And yeah, I will talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hey y'all know I had to start off looking crazy at first. So I started out using this color called Fake Tan, and I am blending this into my crease area. And the key, of course, is to just keep blending so that you have a natural transition shade for your other colors. Then I'm going to go into this shade called Cocoa. This is a darker shade, a darker brown, and I'm going to deepen up my crease a little bit. Then taking this really pretty purple called Xena. It's so pretty. And I'm going to work this into my crease area as well. Now going into this really pretty color, this light blue. Look at the fallout. Called Laguna. Laguna has so much fallout, you guys, but it's a really pretty matte shade. But you do need to tap off your brush to get off the excess shadow. And I'm gonna take this really pretty dark blue called Tiger Lily. It's a really cute shimmer. You guys will see that this color did not work with a brush, so then I tried to use my fingers, and then it was a complete fail. So I was so confused. So now I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal Stick in the color white, and I'm going to use this as a base. So I'm just putting this on my lid. Then I'm going to distribute that out. Oh my gosh. Did you guys just hear that car? That was so loud. I hope that was not in my video. Now this really pretty green shade called Exotic, I'm going to distribute this on my lid as well. I'm going to start on the inner corner of my lid and then distribute it to the middle of my lid. And I also build it up as well to get the opaqueness that I wanted. Obviously I can't talk today. I'm just taking that blue shade, Tiger Lily, and I'm trying to darken up the outer V of my eye. I'm taking this really pretty shade here. And look at the dent that I messed up my eyeshadow palette already. Oh my god, I almost had a heart attack. With this really pretty color, I'm just going to distribute that in the inner tear ducts of my eyes, or the inner corner of my eye. Now I'm taking Tiger Lily again, and I am just putting that on the lower lash line. Now I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape concealer in the color Deep, and I am just highlighting my face. So this is just how I contour. If you guys would like a full video or tutorial on how I contour and highlight my face, let me know. Thumbs up this video. Of course, subscribe and comment down below, and I will definitely have a video up for you guys on how to contour and highlight. Now I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty matchsticks, and I also use this to contour as well. This is the color Suede. It's a really dark brown that I like to use to contour my face. I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out. I'm going to go ahead and take my staple, the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder, and go ahead and set my face. Ooh, yes girl, cut that crease. The Wet n Wild highlighter I'm using is one of their new ones, and watch this. Ooh, I love it. Yes, girl, yes. So I did go ahead and put my lashes on off camera. Now I'm taking the Marc Jacobs High Shine Lip Gloss. This is in the color Skin Deep. I'm just applying that to my lips. And this is the finished look. Hope you guys like it. Alright guys, so thanks again for watching. I hope you love this tutorial. See you guys in the next one.